Hello, Internet. On this occasion, I'll be demonstrating a new skill. It is not top of the keyway tension, although I do have those tension wrenches out here. But the reason I got this set of top of the keyway tension wrenches is because they also have a comb pick with them, which I admit was still with a relatively great deal of difficulty. I can, it slipped off, take advantage of locks that are not, well, don't quite, got it. Like this one, the Master Lock 141 and 140, that actually have enough space in the core that you can, okay, got it, force the entire pin set, the key and driver pins, up into the little cylinder that they sit and unlock the lock. It currently is actually rather difficult to do, partly because I can't consistently line everything up the way right where I need it to be to achieve the results I want. But I am careful and I do it right. I can actually pull that off. There we go. So, yes. Well, I still have yet to be successful with top of the keyway tension. I can at least use comb picks. Hooray for me. As always, thank you for watching, and have a nice day.